And we're back to learning Illustrator in the year day 99. Let me show the basics of creating text. We need the type tool for that, and it's this T icon. T is actually the shortcut for it, and there you'll find this toolbox. If you right click on it, you're going to use the simple text tool right here. So the first one, activate it, and you can see at the top the menu already changes, and if you left click on the canvas, you should get this lorem ipsum placeholder text, and you can actually treat it like all other elements in Illustrator, so you can transform it. But for text, that's actually an issue because the fonts are set to a specific aspect ratio. And if you transform it, it's going to skew with the font. And most of the time, this creates unusable text, or at least text that you don't want to use. So whenever you size up a text element, it's a good idea to hold Shift because that keeps the aspect ratio. And then you can be sure that your font is still the way that it should be. And then you can make sure that your font is still the way that it's intended to be. You can also rotate these elements. And when you hold Shift, the rotation will snap into certain angles. The colors work the same as well. Sounds a little bit counterintuitive, but it's actually the fill here that's used to generate these letters. And you can add a stroke and make that a bit bigger, and you can see it. So the fill is now used as the basic letter color, and then the stroke is put on the outside of it, on the outlines. And when you hold Shift, you can resize that together with the text element. And in principle, you can also use the stroke menu right here. I've talked about that in earlier videos, and give it, for example, a dashed outline. So as I've said, text elements are treated like any other elements in Illustrator on this canvas. So in principle, everything that you've done with rectangles or ellipses, this can also be done with text. And these are the basics of creating text in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.